Alright, today's game one starter for Dominican. We know we're getting Anthony Leak. Not sure who we're going to get in game two, but we know for sure we're getting Anthony Leak. He is their number one. He had decent numbers last year, and he's been their one or two for the last 2 or 3 years. So a guy that's going to attack. You see the splits here. When we look at pitch usage, primarily fastball, wants to attack with the fastball. Lefties, he's just going to hammer you with the fastball. Looks to me, he wants to be away. I do know with Dominican, if they get ahead 0-2, they do like to go double tap off the plate, try to split the opposite batter's box and get you to expand off the plate, and then they'll work back in off of that. Let's look at some video here of Anthony. Upper 80s right-handed pitcher. Looks like it has some two-seam action to it from the video that I've been looking at on him. This is a guy we've never faced. Quick action, quick arm swing, good arm speed coming through. Throws a wrinkle slider off of his fastball. We'll see it here to Brennan. Here's the fastball to start him out. Fastball out over the plate, trying to do too much, pulls it to the pull side. Here's the slider. This isn't a great look because this one backs up. Go back through. We'll try to find another one that has better action for us here. Here's the changeup. Little back foot slider to the lefty. Slider down and away. Looks like he's going to want to start that off the edge of the plate and continue to run that off. You can see it's hard though. 77, 80 mile an hour slider. As it gets deeper in the game, starts to tick down like most guys do. Today's going to be a battle of wills a little bit. We're going to have to really grind this one out. It's going to be cold up there. We're going to have to battle through some stuff. Great place to play, great place to hit, but it's going to be windy and cold, so we'll see which way that's shifting. We need to really put pressure on them defensively. Dominican is typically a team that we can run against. Don't hold runners well, as you can see here in this video. But I like our matchup here against Anthony. We just have to stay disciplined in our approach, hunt out over the plate, and make adjustments as we need to in game. Good ring of death here. Let's look at his splits for all pitches. Switch type. Ball. So again, out over the plate, kind of all over the zone, sprays it. Quick arm righty. Not as interested as holding runners. See what it does here with men on first. Going to be a smaller leg kick guy with runners on. Again, I think we can attack this guy and we can attack their defense. So let's go out and do that battle of wills today in some tough elements to play in. Let's go compete and get number 19 and 20. Let's go, boys. Here we go.